I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Reddit and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Reddit and you will click here. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.